Question number 52. The given bar graph shows the number of persons using 2 different modes of transport over the week in 5 different days. So number of persons, next train green color, bus blue color information. What is the average number of persons traveling by bus in all the days together? Bus information. What is 1500 plus 2500? 4000 plus 2000? 6000 plus 1000? 7000 plus 1500? 8500 is the sum for how many observations? Then the denominator is equal to 5, 1700, third option is the answer. 1700. Average formula, sum of observations by number of observations. Next, question number 53. Question number 53. A boat can travel 450 km downstream and 120 km upstream in 30 hours and 10 hours respectively. What will be the time taken to cover a distance of 90 km in still water? So first, 450 km downstream in how many hours? 30 hours. What is downstream speed formula? M plus S or M minus S? M plus S. What is next same statement? Malli repeat chestna. 450 km downstream in how many hours? 450 by 30 value 15. So M plus S is equal to 50. Next statement. 120 km upstream or downstream? Upstream speed formula? M minus S. What is speed formula? Distance by time. 120 km upstream or downstream? Upstream distance 120 and upstream time is equal to 10 hours. So upstream speed is equal to 12. M plus S value 15 and M minus S is equal to 12. What is M value? 27 by 2. What is S value? మీరు చెప్పుకోండి, మేము అలా కూర్చుంటాం అంతేనా? What is M value? 27 by 2. What is S value? 3 by 2. What is the question? What time will it take to cover the distance of 90 km in still water? Still water speed is equal to 27 by 2. Speed is equal to formula distance by time. What is the time? That is the question. Time e kada adugutunnaru. 9 exactly how many times? 3 times. 9 exactly how many times? 10 times. T is equal to 2 tens. 2 tens enta? 20 by 3. Ante kada? 20 by 3 means 6, 2 by 3 hours. That means 6 hours and 2 by 3 hours ante 40 minutes. 6 hours 40 minutes. First option is the answer. Okay na? Next question number 55. Question number 55. 2 cars M and N leave Kolkata for Darjeeling at 7:40 am and 9:10 am respectively. They travel at 54 km per hour and 72 km per hour respectively. At what distance from Kolkata do they meet? What is the first person left time value? 7:40. And second car 9:10. 7:40 to 9:10. How many hours? 1 hour 30 minutes. Ante kada? 7:40 to 8:40 1 hour. 8:40 to 9:10 means half an hour. So what is total time traveling for car M? 1.5 hour. Already car 1.5 hour travel chesin tarvata N starts. Both are in the same direction or opposite direction? Same direction. Already car M travel how many hours? How many hours? 1.5 hour. Car M travel already 1.5 hour. What is the car M speed value? 54. 1 hour 54 kilometers. Then half an hour? 1 hour it travels 54. Then in half an hour it travels how many kilometers? 27. In 1.5 hour it covers how many kilometers? 81 kilometers. At exactly 9:10 am. At exactly 9:10 am, the car M and car N distance is equal to 81. Ardhamainda? Exactly at 9:10 am, how many moving objects are there? 7:40 to 9:10. How many moving objects? One moving object. Exactly at 9:10 am, how many moving objects? Two moving objects. At exactly 9:10 am, what is the distance between the two cars? Enta? 81. Both are in the same direction or opposite direction? Same direction. Relative speed is 72 and 54 difference. That is how much? 80. And time T. and at exactly what time they will meet, that is t. Okay, 9 table exactly 2 times and 9 table 9 times. So what is t value? 9 by 2 hours. This is the time when they are meet from 9:10 am, from not 7:40 am. ఎక్కడి నుంచి 2 మూవింగ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి? ఫ్రమ్ 7:40 ఆర్ ఫ్రమ్ 9:10? 9:10. From 9:10 am they need how many hours to meet? 9 by 2 hours. What is the question? Question ఏంటి? At what distance from Kolkata do they meet? At what time m starts? 7:40. At what time n starts? 9:10. What is 9 by 2 hours? From 7:40 or from 9:10? 9:10. ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా 9:10 కి స్టార్ట్ అయిన ట్రైన్ కార్ ఎవరు? కార్ ఎమ్మా కార్ ఎన్నా? ఎన్ ఎమ్మా ఎన్నా? 9:10 కి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఎన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ఎన్ స్పీడ్? 72. After 9 by 2 hours it can catch the second car. 2 exactly 36 into 9 324 kilometers. Fourth option. Next question number 56. Question number 56. The line graph shows the ratio of electric to the petrol scooter sold in each district. Total scooter sold is equal to 48,000. So first pie chart shows the percentage wise breakup of scooters sold in 5 districts of state, and the second line graph shows the ratio of the electric to the petrol scooters. Electric scooters and petrol scooters ratio is given in the question. Next, what is D1? How much percentage? D1 value 12%. What is 1% value? 480. Then total number of scooters are 12 into 480. D1 total number of scooters are 12 into 480. And next, in D1 electric scooters and petrol scooters are in the ratio. Electric scooters, petrol scooters, అది రేషియో నాన్న. పక్కన ఒకసారి y యాక్సిస్ ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే యాంటిసిడెంట్ అండ్ కాన్సిక్వెంట్ అని ఉన్నాయా? అంటే అది రేషియో. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ స్కూటర్స్ అండ్ పెట్రోల్ స్కూటర్స్ రేషియో? 23:17. 23:17 means how many parts? 23:17 means how many parts? 40 parts value is equal to 12 into 480. 40 parts value 12 into 480. Then 1 part is equal to how much? 144. 1 part value 144. Electric scooters how many parts? Electric scooters how many parts? Enta? 23 parts. 23 or 17? 23 parts. So it is 23 into 144 electric scooters information and 17 into 144 this is petrol scooters information. అర్థమైందా? సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. వాట్ ఈస్ D2? D2 అసలు క్వశ్చన్ లో ఉందా? లేదుగా. ఓకే, D4 చేద్దాం డైరెక్ట్ గా. వాట్ ఈస్ D4? వాట్ ఈస్ D4 వాల్యూ ఇన్ యువర్ క్వశ్చన్? ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్? 15. And what is 1% value? 480. What is D4 value in your ratio that is in the line chart? What is D4 value? 27:13. How many parts? 40 parts value. Again zeros cancel. 4 exactly 12 times. What is 15 into 12? 180. Each part value is equal to 180. Electric scooters how many parts? 27. So it is 27 into 180. And D4 petrol scooters how many parts? 13 parts. So it is 13 into 180. అర్థమవుతుందా? Same as it is D5. D5 is equal to how much percentage? D5 how much percent? ఎంత? 23. So 23 into 480 by how many parts in D5? 20 parts. So 2 exactly cancel. 2 exactly how many times? 24 times. What is 23 into 24? 529 కి ఇంకొక 24 యాడ్ చేస్తే 553 అంతేనా? సారీ 552. 552. So it is 552. Each part value 552. Next, D5 electric scooters how many parts? D5 electric scooters 13 parts. And D5 petrol scooters how many parts? 7 parts. These are your numbers. Question loki ra. The number of electric scooters sold in D4 is approximately what percentage more than the average number of petrol scooters sold in D1, D4 and D5? So D4 electric scooters, what is D4 electric scooters? 27 into 180 is what percentage more than the average number of petrol scooters sold in D1, D4, D5 and average of all these numbers. Okay. న్యూమరేటర్ వాల్యూ 27 into 180. I mean న్యూమరేటర్ అని చెప్పడానికి లేదు. సో యావరేజ్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ నంబర్ సపోజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ x. కంపేర్డ్ టు దిస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ హౌ మచ్ పర్సెంటేజ్ మోర్? దిస్ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చన్. కొంచెం క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ పార్ట్ ఉంటుంది, మీరు చేసుకోండి. అర్థమైందా? వాట్ ఈస్ 27 into 180? వాల్యూ కాదు, అసలు ఏంటది? ఎలక్ట్రిక్ స్కూటర్సా పెట్రోల్ స్కూటర్సా? ఎలక్ట్రిక్ స్కూటర్స్ ఇన్ D4 is what percentage more than? అదే నా ఉంది క్వశ్చన్. వాట్ పర్సెంటేజ్ మోర్ దాన్? నెక్స్ట్ average number of scooters sold in petrol scooter sold in D1, D4, D5. ఓకే, ఆ క్వశ్చన్ మీరు సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నంబర్ 57. Question number 57. If x is the smallest number, thus that must be added to each of 102, next 115, next value 134 and 151, such that the numbers obtained will be in the proportion. Proportion ante meeku idea unda? If a, b, c, d are in proportion, ad is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. Question starting. If x is the smallest number, that must be added or subtracted? That must be added anunda, that must be subtracted anunda? Added, only added. Okay, so suppose I add 1 here. All the numbers are increased by 1. What is unit digit of the first number? 3. What is unit digit of the last number? 2. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Product kada check cheyali. AD is equal to BC. So first number and this last number product of the unit digit is equal to 6. Verify the second and third unit digits. What is unit digit of the second number? 6. Second number unit digit 5. 6 into 5, can you get 6? No. So 1 is not my answer. 1 కాదు, ఖచ్చితంగా 1 కాదు. ఇంకేంటి? 2. స్మాలెస్ట్ నంబర్ అన్నావు కదా, అలా 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నా. 2. Okay, what is 2 plus 2 unit digit value? 4. First number 4. Last number 3. 4 into 3, 12. So unit digit is equal to 12. Product of the first and last 12. So 2 unit digit. And what is the second number unit digit? 7. And the third number unit digit? 7 into 6 is equal to 42 means 2 again. అర్థమైందా? So finally unit digits are same. We can check digits అంటే నార్మల్ నంబర్స్ కూడా అలా ఉందో లేదో చెక్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ నంబర్? 104. లాస్ట్ నంబర్ 153 is equal to what is 112 plus 2? 117. నెక్స్ట్ నంబర్ 136. 136. 13 table cancellation. 13 exactly 8 times. 13 exactly 9 times. 9 table cancellation, 9 ones and 9 sevens. What is 17 eights? 136 only. అర్థమైందా? 17 8s are 136. So what is your least number? 2 is your least number. So this is x. X value is equal to 2. అర్థమైందా? యూనిట్ డిజిట్ వెరిఫై చేస్తే మోస్ట్లీ అయిపోతుంది ఆన్సర్. మళ్ళీ మీరు చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంటుంది. జస్ట్ వెరిఫై ద యూనిట్ డిజిట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్? నాట్ ఎక్స్. యువర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీన్ ప్రపోర్షన్? మీన్ వాల్యూ is the product of the remaining 2 numbers. Mean proportion of 3x plus 2. What is your x value? 3 into 2 plus 2? 8 into, and what is 10 into 2? 20 minus 2? 18. What is 18 8 sir? 144 square root value? 12. Fourth option is the answer. If A, B, C are in proportion. This idea unda meeku? A, B, C, D are in proportion. AD is equal to BC. If A, B, C only 3 values are in proportion, appude em rayali? AC is equal to B square. What is B value? Root of AC. అదే ఇక్కడ రాసి. B is only 3 values are only. Your question is find the mean. That means only 3 values should be in the proportion. 4 values proportion lo unte you have 2 means. If 3 values are in proportion, you have only 1 mean, that is middle value. Okay. Okay na? Next question number 58. Question number 58. The angles of the triangle are in the arithmetic progression. Angles of triangle are in arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means consecutive numbers. Anacha? If the numbers are consecutive number, what is middle number? Average only. What is sum of angles in the quadrilateral? Sum of angles in the triangle? 180 is a sum of how many angles? 3 angles sum is equal to 180 means what is middle value? I mean average is equal to definitely 60. That means middle angle is equal to 60 degrees. Ardhamainda? Okay, next. The smallest angle is 60 degrees less than the largest angle. Suppose this is the smallest angle and it is the largest angle. Middle value 60 అని రాయకపోతే ఆన్సర్ రాదు. అర్థమవుతుందా? All the angles are in arithmetic progression means all the values should be in the consecutive numbers. If the numbers are consecutive, middle number is average. What is average? Basic formula. Sum of observations by number of observation. What is sum of angles? 180. What is number of angles? So 180 by 3 value 60. That is middle value. Middle is equal to 60. What is sum of all the angles? 180. Already one of the angle is equal to 60. What is remaining angle sum value? 120. Ante kada. Remaining angles are only 2 angles. The 2 angles sum definitely 120. What is next statement? The smallest angle is 60 degrees less than the largest angle. And what is your question? Largest angle means is it B or A? B value 120 plus 60, 180 by 2, 90 degrees. Fourth option is the answer. B plus A, B minus A తెలిస్తే B వాల్యూ కావాలంటే సమ్ బై 2, A వాల్యూ డిఫరెన్స్ బై 2. ఇవి తెలుసు కదా. కంప్లీటెడా? Finally, what is your answer? Is it 120 degrees or 60 degrees? 90 degrees is the answer. Okay. Next question number 59. Question number 59. The simple interest obtained on sum of 44,000 in 3 years at 15% per annum is 15,000 plus I. So 44 per thousand is the principal for how many years? How much percent? 3 years 15% simple interest or compound interest? 3 years 15%. Simple or compound? Simple interest. 3 years 15% means 45%. Enta percent? 45 or 44? 45% of 44,000, that is the interest from the first scheme. Okay, 45% of 44,000. That means can we write it as 50% minus 5%? 45% రాయాల్సి వస్తే 50% minus 5% అనొచ్చా? What is 50% value? 22,000. What is 5% value? 2,200. అంతే కదా. What is the difference value? It is 19800. That means this is the interest from the first scheme. But in the question, what is the interest value? 15,000 plus I. What is interest value actually? 19,800. But what is interest value in your question? 15,000 plus I. Then what is I value? 4,800. అర్థమైందా? అర్థం కాలేదా? What is 45%? 3 years interest value. 3 years interest value. So finally 44 into 45 you get 19800. 19800 is the interest from the scheme. So but the interest in the scheme in your question is 15,000 plus I. Then what is I value? 4,800. Next statement. Then the compound interest obtained on the sum of I plus 1200. Already I value? I value ఎంత అని చెప్పావు? 4,800. 4,800 plus 1200 value? 6,000. Find the compound interest on 6,000 rupees. Find the simple interest కాదు. Find the compound interest on 6,000 at the same rate of interest. What is previous rate of interest? Question లో ఉంది కదా. What is rate of interest previously? 15%. And at in the same time. How many years previously? So present also 3 years. 15% 3 years compound interest కనుక్కోవాలి. నాకు 10 ఓకే, 20 ఓకే, 30 ఓకే, 40 కూడా ఓకేనేమో కానీ 15 ఓకే కాదు. అంతే కదా. సో ఫైండ్ ద అమౌంట్ వాల్యూ. ఫైండ్ అమౌంట్ వాల్యూ. సో ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఈస్ హౌ మచ్ పర్సెంట్? 15%. దెన్ అమౌంట్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 115 by 100. అంతే కదా. సో హౌ మెనీ ఇయర్స్? 3 years. This is the amount after 3 years. But what is the question? Interest after 3 years or amount after 3 years or principal after 3 years? Question లో అడుగుతుంది amount after 3 years, interest after 3 years or principal after 3 years? Interest after 3 years. Finally this calculation gets amount after 3 years. But the question is only interest, then subtract principal value. దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. ఇదంతా సాల్వ్ చేస్తే నీకు ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, 5 టేబుల్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 23 times, 5 table exactly 20 times. So 6000 into what is 23 whole cube value? 12167. ఈ values తెలుసుంటది 23 cube. And what is 20 cube value? 8000. So 3 zeros and 3 zeros cancel, 2 table 3 times and 2 table 4 times. What is 12167 into 3 values? 3 sevens are 21 and 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2 20 and 3 ones 5 and it is 36501 divided by 4. Antena? Okay, done. 36501 divided by 4. 4 exactly, 4 9s are 36 and 4 ones and again 4 2s. Inka 4 2s and inka 4 4s. 4 4s are 4 5. 4 5s and it 0.25. So this is the amount. 6000 is the principal. Just subtract here. So answer is 3125.25. So this is your answer. 3125.25. Second option is the answer. Direct ga interest find out cheyadam easy kaadu. So amount find out chesi easy gaane interest kanukochu. Amount minus principal is equal to interest. Aa concept lo cheyali. 2 years means no problem. 2 successive discount increments manaki formula undi, but 3 years ki ledhu kada. So compulsory solve cheyalsinde. Next question number 60. Question number 60. What is the ratio of the electric scooter sold in D2 to the petrol scooter sold in D3? So your question is completely ratio. No averages or not how much more or how much less. Ivemi kaadu. Your question is clearly average. Sorry, ratio. So what is first statement? Ratio of electric scooter sold in D2. D2 how much percent? D2 how much percentage in the pie chart? 20. And D2 is equal to how many parts in your line graph? D2 how many parts in your line graph? 24 parts value is equal to 20%. And the question is D2 electric scooters or D2 petrol scooters? D2 lo electric kavala petrol kavala? Petrol electric scooters. What is electric scooters? How many parts in your D2? ఎంత 11 parts. So it is completely antecedent information. ఒకసారి నాన్న కాన్సిక్వెంట్ కూడా క్లియర్ గా చూడు, అప్పుడు అర్థమవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అబౌట్ D2 ఆర్ D3 చెప్పేటప్పుడు విను, తర్వాత రాద్దాం. ఆ నంబర్స్ రాయడం పెద్ద కష్టం కాదు, క్లియర్ గా చూడు. వాట్ ఈస్ D3 ఇన్ యువర్ పర్సెంటేజ్? D3 in percentage, that means in the pie chart. What is total number of D3 scooters? That is first question. D3 total number of scooters are 30. But D3 are distributed to electric scooters and petrol scooters. What is D3 electric scooters and petrol scooters? How many parts? How many parts? 18 parts value is 30 percentage. And the question is what is the petrol scooters? Petrol scooters how many parts? How many parts? Petrol nana D3 11 or 7 or 11 parts. 11 and 11 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 3 exactly 6 times, 2 exactly 12 times, 6 is to 12 means 1 is to 2 is the answer. 1 is to 2, fourth option is the answer. Only ratio, no need to find all values. Anni values kanukovalsina avasaram ledhu. Okay now. Next question number 61. A man incurs a loss of 12.5% on selling 20 phones for 173600. How many phones should he sell for 171120 to earn a profit of 15%? Question okkasari malli nana. First, initially he get loss or profit? Loss means 100 plus or 100 minus? How much loss? 12.5%. Then what is the selling price value? 87.5%. 87.5% is the selling price. What is 173600? Selling price of how many mobiles? 20 mobiles selling price value 173600 means one phone selling price is equal to 173600 by 20. Ante kada. So because of that selling price, he get a loss of 12.5%. That means the selling price is equal to 87.5. Ardhamainda? So next, This is the first statement. And next statement, he wants to get profit or loss. How much profit? Then what is the present selling price value? 115%. Already he will get a loss of 12.5%. Now he wants to get a profit of 15. So selling price is 115. And what is 171120? Is it selling price or cost price? Selling price of how many mobiles is the question. Ante kada. So how many variables here? One variable. How many equations? Two equations ఏం కాదు, వన్ ఈక్వేషన్. క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి. అది ఒక ఈక్వేషనే ఉంది, టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్ కాదు. క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఐడియా ఉందా లేదా? క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసి ఈక్వల్ చేస్తాం కదా, దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాసెస్. వీ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ ఈక్వేషన్, టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్ కాదు. వన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇన్ ఎ సింగిల్ ఈక్వేషన్. వన్ వేరియబుల్ ఇన్ ఎ సింగిల్ ఈక్వేషన్. వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ద ఎన్ వాల్యూ. అది మీరు సాల్వ్ చేస్తారు కదా. అందరి దగ్గర మొబైల్స్ ఉన్నాయా? నేను క్యాల్సీ అడగలేదు, మొబైల్ ఉందా అని అడిగా. నవ్వారంటే క్యాల్సీ వాడతారనే కదా అర్థం. చూడు, what is the sum of the digits of the largest 4-digit number which is divisible by 5, 15, 25 and 75? What is the sum of the digits of the largest 4-digit number? Actually, what is the largest 4-digit number? 9999. And find out the LCM of 5, 15, 25 and 75. LCM of all the four numbers. 5 into anything, can you get 75? 5 into any integer, can you get 75? So just to find out the 15, 25, 75 LCM. Or 15 into anything, can you get 75? 25 into something, can you get 75? So just to find out the 75 and another number ఇంకేదన్నా ఉంటే దాని LCM కనుక్కోవాలి. So finally what is LCM of 5, 15, 25 and 75 LCM? Only 75. And divided with 75. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కొంచెం క్లియర్గా చూడు. LCM HCF కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇది. Exactly how many times? 1 times 75. What is remaining value? 249. What is 75 3's value? 225. Okay, next. And 4 is subtracted and remaining 2 and 9. So how much? Again 3 times. Next number 225. What is extra number? 24. If you subtract 24 from this number, what is your number? 9999. If you subtract 24 from that number is definitely divisible by 75. No problem. Andulo doubt e ledu. No doubt. 9999 lo nunchi 24 is subtracted. Definitely that number is divisible by 75. Is it 4-digit number? 9999 minus 24. Is it 4-digit number or not? Yes. Suppose in place of this 24, if you have 75, 24 place lo 75 rasna anukuntunna. How much should be added? 51 should be added. Ante kada. In place of 24, if it is 75, definitely that number is also divisible by 75. How much should be added? 24 to 75. How much should be added? 51. If 9999 is added with 51, is it 4-digit number? Yes or no? How much should be subtracted? 24 to be subtracted. Or how much should be added? 51 to be added. 24 subtracted, it is 4-digit number. Suppose if 51 is added to the number, it is not a 4-digit number. What is your question? 4-digit number or 5-digit number? 4-digit number. So your answer is 9999 minus 24. What is the answer? 9975. This is the largest 4-digit number. It is exactly divisible by 5, 15, 25 and 75. What is the question? Sum of the digits of your number. 9, 9, 18. 18 plus 12 is equal to 30. So 30 is the answer. Completed? Okay. Next question number 63. ఇది మీరు చేసుకోండి. సారీ, ఇది చేయొచ్చు. Completed? Okay. Next question number 63. Point X and Y are the midpoints of PQ and QR. Sorry. PQ and QR. It is Q, P and R. Right angle at Q. X is the midpoint of PQ and Y is the midpoint of QR and PR length is equal to 17. Find the value of XY. This is exactly half of the 17. What is 17 half value? 8.5. This is the answer. 8.5, second option. ఇది కూడా పైథాగరస్ థీరం యూజ్ చేసుకునే చేస్తానన్న. ఇది మొత్తం సపోజ్ ఎక్స్, ఇది సపోజ్ వై అనుకున్నాం అనుకో, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 17 స్క్వేర్. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎక్స్. ఇప్పుడు ఎంత ఉంది? ఎక్స్ బై 2 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ y by 2 whole square, that is 17 by 2 whole square. Finally you get it is 17 by 2, that is 8.5. Next question number 64. Question number 64. 63 completed. 64 x by y plus y by x is equal to 12. What is LCM? Denominators of the LCM? xy, numerator value x square plus y square is equal to 12. What is x square plus y square value? 12xy. X square plus y square value is 12xy. What is your question also? X square plus y square only. Ante kada, ide find out cheyali. What is x square plus y square? Dinu nenu x plus y whole square minus 2xy anacha. That is equal to how much? 14x. Sorry, 12xy. It is 12xy. What is x plus y value in the question? X plus y value 28 whole square is equal to 14xy. Ante kada. So 28 into 28 is equal to 14x. So 14 exactly how many times? 2 times. What is xy value? 56. What is x square plus y square value? 12 into xy. What is xy value? 56. So 12 into 56. 560 plus 112, 672. First option is the answer. 672. ఈ 56ని ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. 56 into 12. Next question number 65. Question number 65. Pratibha sells 2 types of wheat, type 1 and type 2. She sells type 1 wheat at 24 rupees per kg. Always in mixture and delegation concept, type 1 cost price, type 2 cost price. And here, mixtures and delegation concept completed amiku? No na? No kakapothe vino. Type 1 cost price, type 2 cost price only. And this is a mixture cost price. All the values must be cost prices only. Only cost prices. Okay. So first, Pratibha sells 2 types of wheat, that is type 1 and type 2. First, she sells type 1. Correct ga chadu. She sells type 1 wheat at 24 rupees per kg. What is 24 rupees per kg? Cost price or selling price? Definitely you need to calculate the cost price. Okay. How much loss he get? 25% loss means cost price how many parts and selling price how many parts? Always who is 100? Cost price 100. What is selling price? How much percent? 25% profit or loss? Pros? Enta? Loss. How much loss? 25% loss means what is the selling price? 100 is a cost price, 70 is a selling price. What is the ratio between cost and selling? 4:3 or 3:4? Cost to selling 4:3. What is 24 in the question? Selling price how many parts? 3 parts, 24. What is 1 part? 8. What is cost price how many parts? 4 parts. Then cost price of the first type is equal to 32. మీకు కాస్ట్ ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అయిపోయిందా? పర్సెంటేజెస్ కంప్లీటెడా? మరి ఇంకా రాయాలి అవే డైరెక్ట్గానే. నెక్స్ట్ చదువు. Whereas on selling the type 2 wheat at 28 rupees per kg. What is this 28? విను తర్వాత రాద్దాం. What is that 28? Selling price or cost price? Selling price. Because of the 28 rupees selling price, he get profit or loss? How much profit? 40% profit. Who is 100? Cost price 100. What is profit? What is selling price? 140 or 60? 100 cost price, 140 selling price. What is the ratio? 5:7. Cost price how many parts? Selling price how many parts? So question lo 28. What is the 28? Selling price how many parts? 7 parts 28. 1 part is equal to 4. Cost price how many parts? 5 fours are. So second type cost price is equal to 20. Second type cost price 30 to 20 ఎలా వచ్చినాయి అంటే అవన్నీ మైండ్ లోనే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం. ఫైనల్లీ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ వాల్యూ 32 ఫస్ట్ టైప్ అండ్ 20 is cost price of the second type. Next condition. In what proportion should type 1 and 2 be mixed such that ఇప్పుడు చదువు she can gain a profit of 30% by selling the mixture at 39 rupees per kg. Selling the mixture. Selling. What is this 39? Selling price or cost price? Always here you should write cost price of the mixture, not the selling price of the mixture. Ardhamainda? 39 is the selling price of mixture or cost price of the mixture? Selling price of the mixture. Definitely is it 100 plus or 100 minus? Okay. 100 plus or 100 minus? 100 plus. Okay. What is cost price value? 100. What is selling price value? 130 or 70? 130. What is the ratio? 10 is to cost price how many parts? Cost price how many parts? Selling price how many parts? Selling price 13 parts value is equal to 39. What is 1 part value? Then cost price 30. So find out the relation. 32 and 30 difference value and 20 and 30 difference. What is the ratio? 5 is to. This is your answer. 5 is to 1 is the answer. Third option. దీనికంటే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ వదిలేయచ్చు కదా అంటారా? చెయ్యగలరు. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ట్రై చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ రాస్తే చాలు రేషియో వైజ్గా. Completed? Next, in an examination, Ramesh scored 23% marks and failed by 50.5. While Rakesh got 54 marks and obtained 42.5 marks more than the passing mark. So first person, pass or fail? How much percentage he get? Second person, pass or fail? Pass. How much percentage he get? First person 23%, second person 54%. What is the difference value? 31%. అంతేనా? నేను ఓన్లీ పర్సంటేజెస్ చూస్తున్నాను. పర్సంటేజెస్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 31%. ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ రమేష్ గెట్ హౌ మెనీ మార్క్స్ లెస్? 50.5 మార్క్స్ లెస్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ మైనస్ 50.5. తక్కువ వచ్చినాయి కదా. సో నెక్స్ట్ రాకేష్ గాట్ హౌ మెనీ మార్క్స్ ఎక్స్ట్రా? 42.5 ఎక్స్ట్రా. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ 50.5 లెస్, సెకండ్ పర్సన్ 42.5 extra. What is the difference between 42.5 extra and 50.5 difference value? 93. One number positive and another negative. Then add చేసుకోవాలి. ఎంత అవుతుంది? 93. 31% value 93 means 1% is equal to 3 marks. 1% is equal to 3 marks. What is the question? What is the passing mark for the examination? First person, he get how much percentage? 23%. That means how many marks? 69 marks. He was pass or fail? Failed by how many marks? 50.5. Suppose he get extra 50.5. He was pass or fail? Just pass e kada. So what is 69 plus 50.5? 119.5. 119.5 fourth option. Next question number 69. Question number 69. The volume of a room whose length is 4 times of its breadth and the height is 6 meters is 1536 meter cube. What is 1536 meter cube? Volume of the room. Room in the shape rectangular. Devuda. Cuboid. Volume ante cuboid shape lo undi. Room ఏ షేప్ లో ఉంది? క్యూబాయిడ్. వాట్ ఇస్ క్యూబాయిడ్ వాల్యూమ్ ఫార్ములా? L into B into H. That is equal to 1536. What is 1536? Length into breadth into height. Height is already given, that is equal to 6. Next, what is length and breadth relation? Chadu. Volume of the room whose length is 4 times the breadth of the room. So breadth of the room, my assumption B, వాట్ ఈస్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద రూమ్? ఎంత? 4b. 6 exactly. 6 2s 12 and remaining 33, 6 5s and 6 6 and 4 exactly 64 times. B square is equal to 64. Then B is equal to 8. What is height value? 6. What is length value? 32. Ante kada 4 times of breadth annavga. Yes or no na? What is height of that room? 6. What is breadth of the room? 8. What is length of the room? 32. What is the question? Chadu. Find the cost of whitewashing the 4 walls of room. 4 walls of the room. Only walls. 4 walls of the room at the rate of 48 rupees per meter square. This is in the shape of cuboid. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రూమ్ క్యూబాయిడ్ షేప్ లోనే ఉందా? వాట్ ఈస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ దిస్ వాల్? ఓన్లీ వాల్ మాత్రమే కనుక్కుంటే చాలు. వాట్ ఈస్ ఏరియా వాట్ ఈస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ దిస్ వాల్? వాట్ ఈస్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద వాల్? ఎల్. అంతేనా రాయాలి? వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ మెజర్మెంట్? హెచ్చా బీనా? హైట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ దిస్ వాల్? L into H. Same as it is area of that wall is also LH. అంతే కదా? గేట్ ఉందని చెప్పకు మళ్ళీ. Area of this wall LH means area of that wall must be LH. How many LH? 2 LH. And what is area of this wall? What is the measurement? B na H a L a? B. What is this measurement? Height. Then what is area of this wall? BH this. Then that is అప్పుడు ఏం రాయొచ్చు? 2BH. 2BH is equal to how much? అది ఫస్ట్ మళ్ళీ. అండ్ మళ్ళీ ఏం మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి? ఇంటూ 48. దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. 2 ఇంటూ వాట్ ఈస్ H వాల్యూ? 6 అండ్ ఇంటూ 48. అర్థమవుతుందా? 2H కాస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఆల్రెడీ కామన్ తీసాం. మిగిలిందేంటి? LB. వాట్ ఈస్ L ప్లస్ B వాల్యూ? 40. 40. లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ మస్ట్ బి 0. నెక్స్ట్ 2 6 యూనిట్ డిజిట్ వెరిఫికేషన్. 2 6 12 into 8 6 6 into 4. ఆన్సర్ మస్ట్ బి ఎండ్ విత్ 40. హౌ మెనీ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ దే? 40 తో ఎండ్ అవ్వాలి, 400 కాదు. క్లియర్ గా చూసుకో. ఆన్సర్ మస్ట్ బి ఎండ్ విత్ 40. హౌ మెనీ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ దే? ఓన్లీ వన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. అట్లీస్ట్ ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అన్నా సాల్వ్ చేశారా? చేశాం కానీ రాలేదు కదా? చేశారా లేదా? వాట్ ఈస్ బాడ్మాస్ రూల్ ఐడియా ఉందా? ఎక్కడైనా విన్నట్టు అనిపించిందా? 5th 6th అప్పుడు కూడా నేర్చుకోలేదా? 5th 6th క్లాసుల్లో కూడా తెలియదు మీకు. అప్పుడు రాదు, ఇప్పుడు రాదు. బాడ్మాస్ రూల్లో బి ఎనీ బ్రాకెట్స్ ఆర్ దే? నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఉందా? చెయ్యి. 30 డివైడెడ్ బై నెక్స్ట్ 6 ఆఫ్ అంటే ఇంటూ 6 ఆఫ్ 10 అంటే 60 ఇంటూ 24. అర్థమవుతుందా? ప్లస్ 27 డివైడెడ్ బై 9 ఆఫ్ 6 54 ఇంటూ 4. నెక్స్ట్ మైనస్ 12 డివైడెడ్ బై 6 డైరెక్ట్లీ. వాట్ ఈస్ 12 డివైడెడ్ బై 6 వాల్యూ? 2 అండ్ ప్లస్ 8. 27 exactly 2 times, 2 exactly 2 times, plus 2 and minus 2 cancel. Next, exactly 2 times, 2 exactly 12 times, it is plus 12 and plus 8, 20. First option is the answer. Next question number 73. A shopkeeper gets a profit of 37.5% on a keyboard of market price 171.6. At a discount of 33 1/3%, what is the cost price of the keyboard? So first condition, he allows how much discount? 33 1/3% discount means 1/3 discount. Then what is selling price? 2/3. So market price into 2/3. So మొత్తం అన్ని ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ లోనే రాయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రాక్షన్ స్టార్ట్ చేసావు కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ కూడా ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఏ ఉండాలి. మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ 2/3 వాల్యూ, దట్ ఈస్ ద సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ కంపేర్డ్ టు ద మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్. అండ్ హీ గెట్ హౌ మచ్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఆర్ లాస్ ఇన్ ద క్వశ్చన్? క్వశ్చన్ లో ప్రాఫిట్ అని ఉందా, లాస్ ఉందా? ఇంకా పేజ్ తిప్పే పనిలోనే ఉన్నారా? ప్రాఫిట్. హౌ మచ్ ప్రాఫిట్? 37.5% ప్రాఫిట్. పర్సెంటేజ్ ఫ్రాక్షనా? వాట్ ఈస్ 37.5% ఇన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఫార్మ్? 3/8 ప్రాఫిట్ అయితే వాట్ ఈస్ ద కాస్ట్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్? 1 + 3/8 అని రాస్తా. ఇక్కడ ఎంత డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చావు? 1/3 డిస్కౌంట్ అయితే 1 - 2/3 ఇస్ ద సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్. In the second condition, he get 3 by 8 profit, means selling price is equal to 1 plus 3 by 8. So what is the value? 11 by 8. And we don't know the cost price, so this is cost price. Any number in the question? ఏంటిది అది? 171.6. Is it cost price or selling price or market price? Just substitute the value. 171.6 into 2 by 3 is equal to cost into 11 by 8. This is the answer. 11 exactly how many times? 11 ones 11, 11 fives and 11 6. And 3 table cancellation, 3 exactly 5.2 times. So finally your cost price is equal to 5.2 into 16. 2 8s kada unnai. So 6 2s are 2. Answer must be end with 0.2. How many options? Answer must be end with 0.2. How many options? 2 options. One is 83.2 and another is 82.2. 52, it's a 4 multiple. 16, that is also 4 multiple. Answer must be a 4 multiple. 832, is it 4 multiple? 822, is it 4 multiple? So then what is my answer? Second option. 83.2 is my answer. 82.2 is not a 4 multiple. Okay now. Next question number 74 kuda pure maths and 75. Question number 75. Completed a 73. 8 men or 4 women? How many men? 8 men or 4 women can complete a work in 12 days. That means efficiency is information of men and women. How many men? 8 men and how many women? 4 women. 8 men and 4 women. 8 men and 4 women means 8 men efficiency is equal to 4 women efficiency. What is man is to women efficiency ratio? 2 is to 1 or 1 is to 2? Correct ga judu. 1 is to 2. Man is to women efficiency is equal to 1 is to 2, not 2 is to 1. It is 1 is to 2. So man efficiency and women efficiency is equal to 1 is to 2. 8 men complete the work in how many days? 1 man efficiency? 1 man efficiency ఎంత అనుకున్నావు? 1 unit 2 units 1 unit. 8 men efficiency? 8 into 12? 96. This is the total work. What is work formula? Work. మీకు టైమ్ అండ్ వర్క్ కంప్లీటెడ్ కదా? ఉంది, అయిపోయింది. వాట్ ఈస్ వర్క్ ఫార్ములా? ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఇంటూ టైం. టైమ్ హౌ మెనీ డేస్? 12 days. 12 days time for only 1 man or 8 men? 8 men. 1 man efficiency 1 unit, then 12 men efficiency, 8 men efficiency 8 units. So 8 into 12 is a total work 96. Or inkokati cheychu. What is 1 women efficiency? 1 woman efficiency 2 units. 4 women efficiency 8 units. Ante kada. 1 women aithe 2 units chest. 4 women 8. 4 women complete the work in how many days? Again 12 days. 4 women 8. 8 into 12 is also 96. What is the total work? 96 units is the total work. Next. In 8 days, 4 men and how many women can complete the work? Your question is in 8 days. What is total work? 96 units of the work is done in how many days? 8 days. For how many men? 4 men and how many women? This is the question. How many women is the question. What is 1 man value? 1. 8 exactly how many times? 12 times. What is 1 man value? 1 only. 4 into 1. So x into what is number? Women efficiency 2. So ikkada 4 వచ్చింది కదా. ఆ 4 ఇటువైపుకి వస్తే -4 plus 4. So it is 8. Then what is number of women? 4. Number of women is equal to 4. Third option is the answer. Okay. Thank you.